South superstar Mahesh Babu, who is gearing up for the release of his next film, Sarkaru Varipata, has added another car to his collection. The celebrated actor has bought himself an Audi E-tron, an electric car where price starts at 1.01 crore in India and goes up to 1.19 crore rupees. The actor shared the news on Instagram with an image standing next to the car. In the photo, the actor could be seen sporting a mustard yellow full-sleeved t-shirt along with white trousers as he was seen posing with his hand on the car. Mahesh Babu captioned the image, bringing a clean, green and sustainable future home. Excited for the Audi experience. The e-tron worn by Mahesh Babu has a single frame grille with platinum grey finish and runs on a 20-inch graphite grey diamond cut alloy wheels. The rear of the electric vehicle has LED stripes, giving a detailed character to the vehicle. 16-speaker Olufsen audio system with a 3D surround sound, ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, a 360-degree camera, a panoramic glass sunroof and an Audi Connect app along with 8 airbags, front and rear parking sensors. The car is powered by a 71 kWh battery producing a maximum power of 308 HP and 540 Nm torque and can go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.8 seconds. The Audi E-tron offers a top speed of 190 km/h. Ritesh Deshmukh, Pooja Batra and Mukesh Ambani are a few other celebrities who own electric cars in India.